About this item, Ethernet USB adapter connects a computer or Raspberry Pi 3 to a router, modem, or network switch for a fast Ethernet, 100 Mbps, network connection. Connect the USB Ethernet adapter to your laptop without an Ethernet port. Cost-effective USB network adapter for many computer applications that only require a 100 Mbps Ethernet connection. Use this convenient USB LAN adapter to replace a failed USB NIC or Ethernet port on an older computer. Portable RJ45 to USB dongle weighs less than 1 ounce with a 6-inch cable tail to connect to your computer. Wired LAN USB adapter is more secure than most Wi-Fi connections. Feature-filled USB to network adapter supports pre-boot execution environment, PXE, Wake on LAN, WoL, Full Duplex, FDX, and Half Duplex, HDX, Ethernet, crossover detection, back pressure routing, auto correction, auto MDIX, supports IPv4/IPv6 protocols in 10 base T and 100 base TX networks, supports MAC address pass-through, MAC clone, with the Cable Matters Easy Dock utility. Software, Windows, driver-free simple installation. USB to RJ45 adapter for most computers. Diagnostic LEDs on this Ethernet USB adapter verify the power, connection, and data transfer status. OS compatible Windows 11/10/8.1/8/7/Vista/XP, Mac OS 10.8 and up, Chrome OS and Linux for kernels up to 4.15. USB to RJ45 adapter is not compatible with Windows RT or Android. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, Ethernet USB